Mary, can you look at this patient in room 3? She has a rash on her arm. I don't know what it is.
Of course. How long does she have it?
Since yesterday morning. She says it is red and itchy.
Did you ask about her medications?
Yes, she started a new antibiotic 2 days ago.
That could be the reason. Some patients react to antibiotics.
I thought about that, but the rash is only on one arm.
Interesting. Did she touch anything at work? Chemicals? Gloves?
She works in a laboratory. She uses latex gloves every day.
John, I think this is a latex allergy. It's a contact reaction, not the medication.
You were right. The rash is exactly where the glove touches her skin.
We need to switch her to latex-free gloves and give her a cream for the itching.
Good plan. I will talk to her now. Thank you, Mary.
No problem. Always check the small details first.